Hi, I'm Leah Svanberg. Welcome to the key steps on how to look fabulous in your everyday makeup. Today, I'm going to take you through primers. Now, there's different primers for different skin types, and there are lots of primers on the market. A few that I recommend and use is the Dottiness mattifying primer. The Dottiness mattifying primer is a really light primer that has no silicons. It's an all-natural product, and it's great as a general primer for any skin type. The next primer that I generally would use and recommend for a skin that has more enlarged pores or fine lines is the Benefit Professional. This is it's like a moussey texture, and you can use it all over the face underneath your foundation or as a spot area primer after you've done your foundation. The third primer is the Cover FX. This is a new product in my arsenal, and I really like it as a mattifying primer for a really oily skin. If you've got enlarged pores or you tend to get really shiny during the day with your makeup, this is a great one as an all over face or through the T-zone. The primer that I'm using today is the Dottiness mattifying primer. This is because my model Jo has a general lovely even skin. She's not terribly oily or dry, and it's just a really good general primer. This goes all over the entire face, just avoiding the eye area. Now I'll be moving on to the eyelid primer. This is to help your eyeshadow stay in place. It stops it creasing during the day, and it really lifts the colouring of your eyeshadow. It's also a great primer for the lip area. The eyelid primer that I'm using today is the Makeup Forever Step 1 base for eyes and lips. Now you're all prepped and primed, we're going to move on to, in the next episode, eyeshadow, eyeliner and mascara. So we'll see you there.